Hero Black, 7 Hero Black, GoPro Hero 7 Black, and Session 5 side by side on a motorbike helmet. The Session 5 does have a slight ND filter on it, but other than that, all settings are the same. Welcome to my clean garage, and hopefully the view's very similar, as in they are pretty much taped together. Oop, hard doing things with a helmet on. Maybe we should check the view. Connecting to the app seems to be a little bit more annoying on the 7 Black, as in sometimes it doesn't show you the image. The Wheel of Doom. We have image. Turn those bad boys up. Go for a 10-minute ride, half an hour ride maybe, just through the hills. Hopefully I got enough fuel, and then I'll make a little comparisons. Have house keys, sweet. Suicidal birds. I think they're both recording. Holy shit, the flies. Just talking over my motorbike, idling, going down a hill. It's quite a rough hill. I don't know how much to pick up. Yeah, we'll see. I can see the cameras bobbling up and down in front. As soon as I talk, I do that. That was pretty good. But yeah, hopefully the camera makes me look like a pro. Definitely not the smoothest environment, but we're just cruising along at 30 kilometers an hour in second gear, just to see what it sounds like. I think the engine noise may be too loud, but it's supposed to have some sort of special microphone or better microphone in the Hero Black. The session is pretty poor, but being on my chin mount, it generally gets rid of a lot of the wind noise for some reason. If it's anywhere else, like on the top of my helmet, it's absolutely terrible. But yeah. Yep. That's it. Fucking flies.